Hello there, welcome back to Selenium training. In the previous lecture, we have learned about how we can enter our text in the caps lock. And in this tutorial, we are going to see how we can erase the data from a text box. To do this operation, we are going to use a special class in Selenium that is called as actions class. So basically, actions class is a class that is used to handle mouse and keyboard actions. I'm copying this code from the previous project. If you haven't gone through that video, please refer back to that video, and I'll be directly using the actions class. Let me create an object of the actions class. All right, now actions dot click. Where you want to click? We want to click on this text box. What is the ID for this text box? It is the email as we have used here. So I'll be just directly writing driver dot find element by dot email, sorry, by dot name, and that is email. Okay, now enter. When you want to select everything, you press Ctrl A. So right now you have to tell Selenium that please press Ctrl A from the keyboard. But how we are going to do that? We have a method for that. We are going to use enum keys. Key down, keys dot control. You are telling the Selenium to press control key and keep it pressed. Do not release this until enter dot until you send some keys. Which keys we are going to send? A. Why? Because control plus A, we are going to select all the data. Once the data is selected, once control A is pressed by the keyboard, okay, you need to release this control option right now. So to do that, press key up. Now you are going to release the control key. For that, keys dot control again. All right, yeah. Now now you have to press the backspace keys to release all the data. Dot send keys, and you are going to press backspace keys dot backspace. All right, all right. Now dot build. Why we are using build? What is this? Basically, here we are performing a sequence of operations, and when we perform a sequence of operations, we have to use build for that. Once, and the last step is perform. Now it will perform the execution and it will release all the data. For example, if we do not use a bundle of operations, then we can ignore build and directly use perform, but here we are using a sequence of operations. Let us execute our script and see is it working or not. First, it will enter the java automation at the rate of gmail.com in the email address. So let us check. All right, guys, you see it was very fast. Let me show you once again. I'll add a thread. I'll add a timer here. All right, thread dot sleep. Let me add 3 seconds. All right, guys, this is the beauty of Selenium. Selenium is very easy to learn and understand if you practice. I hope, guys, this video was helpful. If you do, mention your queries in the comment section. And don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you, and stay tuned for more updates.